Hi, welcome to Trial School. I'm Rich Newsom, and today I want to talk about a great presentation that you can see by being a member of Trial School. It's by the great Charles Allen. Now, Charles Allen is one of truly, I think, probably the best expert on how to best prepare a client, a plaintiff, for deposition. Clients come into these depositions, they're nervous, they're not sure what to do, they're unfamiliar with the process, and they've got a lot of information to share. They're going to be hammered sometimes by a really aggressive defense attorney, and it's absolutely imperative to take the time necessary with a method, a really good method, to make sure that the client is comfortable, that they're prepared, and they're able to do their very best. So join us this week, this Friday. Charles Allen is going to give a presentation with the nuts and bolts of how to do this. He's going to provide checklists, an outline, and very, very practical approaches so that you can make sure that your client is best prepared to give his or her deposition. So if you're not a member, join us. If you only represent people, trialschool.org, and hopefully we'll see you this Friday.